Hey guys, I'm Steve Cotter. I'm really excited to invite you to a very special event this June from the 24th through June 30th at Bangtao MMA and Muay Thai Training Academy. This is in beautiful Phuket, Thailand. This 1 week event is one of a kind. We're going to have 4 different certifications that you can take part in. It's going to be IKFF Level 1, Kettlebell and Conditionings Level 1, which are 2 amazing kettlebell certifications where you're going to learn how to use the kettlebells, learn how to train your body and your mind. We also have 2 different mobility certifications, which is a loaded mobility using kettlebells, as well as mobility using just your body weight. Bangtao MMA is the premier training place if you're in the martial arts. That's where you're going to learn to train with the best of the best. Just in the last several months, we've had special guests, Tyson Fury, the heavyweight champ, John Bones Jones, the GOAT of MMA, as well as George St. Pierre, as well as Kelvin Gastelum, all doing seminars there. Included with these certifications, we're also having a Kettlebell Pentathlon competition, which is your chance to try a really fun kettlebell competition, 5 different events. We're going to have an after party on June 30, and you're also going to have a membership to the Bangtao MMA Academy while you're there, be able to use the whole facility, be able to train in martial arts, as well as train with us in the kettlebells and in the mobility. So inviting you to come to beautiful Thailand to check that out, and just send me a DM and I will send you the link with all the information. Really look forward to having you join us out there.